So, you can hop up. Thanks.
Oh, no, the camera loves me.
Does it?
No. See, it don't love me as much now.
Get up. When you happy because somebody else gonna do your DIY. 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 Okay, you guys, so I'm at the Home Depot and it is 8-ish. I'm just getting off of work and I had to go get me some stuff for my DIY. I keep calling it my DIY, but we all know it's my husband's DIY. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get some things. Let's get rolling. Whoa, I think I hit the jackpot. Let's see. Okay, drywall screws, y'all.
So just so you don't get confused later, these are for metal studs. These go into metal. The orange are for wood.
Oh, see, learn something new every day, y'all. Okay, well, now we gotta get the little ones. Look, I gotta save my coins. The little package.
Oh yeah, this is a little pack right
this
here.
This the little pack? Oh, okay, this is not the $19.99 pack.
This is $5.
Yes, people, this is the...
Oh, actually, I got you the 3-inch. 5.
The $5.98.
Just because it's a longer
because
screw.
you can get the big ones, y'all. That's not right. That's not happening today. I just have to buy it. That's why I was calling myself getting the discount for my little stuff I already bought. Right. Oh, 15, 13. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so what we have here, you guys, is we have 6 hooks. And then to go along with those hooks, I got 2 packets, which is 12 screws and 12 anchors, a hammer, measuring tape, a stud finder, along with the drill. There's a couple other items that we need, such as the pole we'll be using, the backdrop itself. Those 2 items are too big to include in this video, and I need my assistant to do so. Okay, you guys, so, all right. I got my assistant here.
Your assistant?
Yes, yes. Remember I told you there's a couple items that I could not put on camera just because, you know, I didn't have the length for it or space. This is what I was talking about, you guys. So, it's nothing but a PVC pipe, and they sell them at the market for about, I don't know, I have to look it up. I'll put it in the description. But I know that they sell them at, what is it, 10 feet?
10 feet.
Yes. And I went ahead and I cut this down to 6 feet. I told you, assistant. Alright, so that's that. And they'll cut it in the store for you guys. Just let them know that that's what you want to do. They have equipment and the muscle and manpower to do so. Now this right here, this is babe. Alright, this is my vinyl. And I got it off of Amazon. I'm gonna look it up. I am struggling. Assistant, you're gonna let me struggle, huh? Okay. Okay, I really need your help now, assistant. Come step into the light. Step over and on into the, into the light. All right, so we have here the vinyl. It's nice too, you guys, okay? This is vinyl. So you know, like when you're doing your hair and you get it wet, you know, I don't have to worry about this paper. This paper, this has been driving me bananas. Bananas, because I'm over it. I'm over this paper. I got my fan on because I get hot and the wind blows, makes all this noise. Sometimes I'm scared I might spray it when I'm doing my hair, you know, so I figured I'd go with vinyl. I've had vinyl for a while. I've had a couple other setups and they haven't worked so well. But I think this setup here is going to be a good setup. I think it's going to work pretty good. So, I have my husband here, / assistant.
Oh, assistant. Now I'm upgraded to husband from assistant. Okay.
And, you guys, this lighting is horrible. because he is not in the light. But I have him here and he's going to go ahead and do a DIY for you guys. We're gonna do a DIY and what we're
not
gonna
by
put
choice.
Is it by force?
By coercion.
Coercion. Thank you. Okay, so he's gonna go ahead and put this up for you guys. Basically, I wanted to do like a 3-tier type thing because eventually I want to be able to upgrade. So I'm gonna upgrade my system to, this is gonna be white. I'm gonna have probably gray vinyl and then possibly green vinyl so that I can change the background. Okay, you guys, he's getting started already. Let me move up with. Okay, and another thing I didn't include on there is this step ladder. What I like about it is it's got this easy lift. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I think I bought this at Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna include it in the video. I'll include like in the description. Alright, so my assistant is eager to get started. And you guys, don't make fun of my outfit because it looks like I just rolled out of bed. I did.
You did, exactly.
So he's using that.
Now, I need to measure. You want it 5 feet across, right?
Okay, yeah, he's trying to find a stud in order for me to put, or him to put the actual screws and anchors in. Well, honey, I have to have it where it works. I mean, I would hate for you to do all this work and then it doesn't even work well. And then you'll be highly, highly peeved. A good technique. You measure, what do they say? Measure twice, cut once. In this case, measure twice, drill once. When you're drilling and you're making these holes, you want to make sure that, you know, the drill bit that you're using is appropriate for it, the appropriate size.
It still won't work.
Right. So I am aware of that, but he just made a valid point. If you use it too big, then the stud won't work. It'll like have too big of a hole. But if you have it too small, then you won't be able to go ahead and put the stud in either, because then you're trying to like make the hole with the stud.
Okay.
I need another clip. I need a small clip.
Give me a clip. Give me a clip.
I ain't got small clips. I'm serious.
There you go.
We had a whole discussion about that.
You had a discussion. I already knew it was gonna work.
Okay, you guys. So that was my husband's DIY. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Anyway, I feel like this is gonna work out good because now I don't have to worry about that pesky paper, because that paper was killing me. All that noise, the wrinkles.
Even though this is killing me.
But thank you, honey.
All right.
Okay, now you can enjoy the rest of your day off.
Yay!
Yay!
Get to enjoy my day off. Hallelujah.
And I get to enjoy my beautiful background. Yes, I'm so excited. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are interested in me doing any other videos like this, more of like a vlog like style. Thanks for watching. Bye.